Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Monopoly Go bug. Now it's a very easy process. So the first thing that you can try is if you have an update on the game, simply complete the update and then just simply check if the issue is fixed or not. Now after your game is updated and if you're still facing the issue, just simply go to your phone's settings and over here just simply search for app, then open the app with the gear icon. Over here, just simply go to the manage app section and now just simply search for the game. Now open the game. So over here, the first thing that you could do is just simply click on clear data and clear the cache file of that data. After that, just simply restart your game and see if your issue is fixed or not. If you're still facing the issue, just simply completely clear the data. So click on that option and click on clear all data. Then just simply uninstall the game entirely from your phone. Once done, just simply reinstall the game again. So go to your Play Store or App Store and install the game again. And after doing the reinstallation, the bug that you were facing will definitely go away. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.